Hello viewers, I'm Quotes on Demand. I explore the minds of famous personalities by reading their books and sharing impactful quotes. Subscribe me as we delve into the wisdom that has shaped some of the world's most influential figures.
The really happy people are those who have broken the chains of procrastination. Those who find satisfaction in doing the job at hand. They're full of eagerness, zest, productivity. You can be, too. Watch your manner of speech. If you wish to develop a peaceful state of mind, start each day by affirming peaceful, contented, and happy attitudes, and your days will tend to be pleasant and successful. Our happiness depends on the habit of mind we cultivate. So practice happy thinking every day. Cultivate the merry heart. Develop the happiness habit, and life will become a continual feast. There is nothing in life so difficult that it cannot be overcome. This faith can move mountains. It can change people. It can change the world. You can survive all the great storms in your life, forget the mistakes of the past, and press on to the greater achievements of the future. Give everyone a smile. Spend so much time improving yourself that you have no time left to criticize others. Be too big for worry and too noble for anger. Every person, if he is to have mental health and live successfully, must move away from past failures and mistakes and go forward without letting them be a weight upon him. The art of forgetting is absolutely necessary. Life is not all fun and easy going, far from it. There are many rough times, but sadly, we too often let the hard times dull our enthusiasm, and that is dangerous, if not fatal, to our lives. Nothing of great value in this life comes easily. The things of highest value sometimes come hard. The gold that has the greatest value lies deepest in the earth, as do the diamonds. To change your circumstances, first start thinking differently. Do not passively accept unsatisfactory circumstances, but form a picture in your mind of circumstances as they should be. Believe and succeed. The negative principle negates, the positive principle creates. The negative principle doubts, the positive principle believes. The negative principle accepts defeat, the positive principle goes for victory. Scatter goodwill and love and prayers all around, everywhere, and you will be astonished, not only by what it does for other people, but how it comes back to you in generous abundance.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.